If you've ever tried making popcorn at home and ended up with burnt kernels, half the batch unpopped, or oil splattered all over your kitchen counter, you already know how annoying homemade popcorn can become. Microwave bags are convenient, but they never really taste fresh, and traditional stovetop popping takes way more attention than most people want during movie night. That's exactly where the Elite Gourmet automatic stirring popcorn maker comes in. It's designed to make homemade popcorn faster, easier, and honestly a lot less messy without turning the process into another kitchen chore. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. This popcorn maker is clearly aimed at families, movie lovers, casual snackers, and anyone who wants fresh popcorn at home without dealing with complicated machines or expensive store-bought alternatives. And right away, the thing that makes this stand out is how simple and approachable it feels. It doesn't try to look like a commercial theater machine or overload you with settings. Instead, it focuses on convenience and practical everyday use, which honestly makes a lot more sense for most people. Visually, the red finish gives it a fun retro-style kitchen look without feeling overly bulky or outdated. It's compact enough to leave on a counter or easily store in a cabinet, which matters because appliances that are annoying to store usually stop getting used after a few weeks. The built-in serving bowl design is also one of those features that sounds gimmicky until you actually use it. Once the popcorn finishes popping, you simply flip the bowl over, and it's ready to serve. It cuts down on extra dishes and makes the whole process feel smoother and less messy. The overall build quality feels solid for the price range. The plastic exterior stays reasonably cool during operation, and the ceramic nonstick popping plate is a surprisingly important upgrade compared to older nonstick surfaces that scratch easily or become difficult to clean over time. In practical use, the ceramic surface helps prevent burnt popcorn buildup and makes cleanup much easier after each batch. Instead of scrubbing stubborn oil residue, you can usually wipe it down pretty quickly once it cools. Performance-wise, this machine does exactly what most people actually want from a home popcorn maker. It heats up quickly, pops evenly, and the motorized stirring rod genuinely improves consistency compared to cheaper hot plate popcorn makers that leave kernels sitting still at the bottom. Because the kernels keep moving while they heat, you get fewer burnt pieces and noticeably fewer unpopped kernels at the end of each batch. And since it can make up to 3 quarts at once, it's enough popcorn for movie nights, small parties, or casual snacking without needing multiple rounds. Another thing that makes this more practical than microwave popcorn is flexibility. You control the ingredients completely. If you want buttery movie-style popcorn, you could do that. If you prefer lighter oil, sea salt, caramel seasoning, or even healthier low-oil recipes, you have much more control over flavor and freshness. That becomes especially useful for families trying to avoid preservatives or overly processed microwave snack bags. Now, to keep this balanced, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. First, while it pops faster than many traditional stirring popcorn makers, it's still not instant like microwave popcorn. You'll wait a few minutes for a full batch, although honestly, the taste difference usually makes that feel worth it. Also, because this is a compact home popcorn maker, it's designed more for casual family use than massive party servings. If you regularly host huge gatherings, you may still need to make multiple batches. Compared to similarly priced popcorn machines, though, the Elite Gourmet stands out because it balances convenience, performance, and cleanup better than most. Many budget popcorn makers either struggle with uneven popping or become frustrating to clean after repeated use. This one feels more thoughtfully designed for real kitchens and normal routines rather than just looking flashy in product photos. The automatic stirring system and reversible serving bowl genuinely improve the overall experience instead of feeling like unnecessary extras. Overall, this is a really solid option for families, movie night fans, college students, and anyone who wants fresher popcorn without the hassle of stovetop cooking. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and practical enough that you'll probably use it far more often than expected. If you've been thinking about upgrading your snack setup, this is definitely one worth checking out. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description before seasonal sales or movie night demand start affecting availability.